Hi everyone! Every tip I'm about to share comes from specialized technicians working at this well-known appliance repair shop. So let's get this issue fixed. When your Samsung range shows the famous E-27, it's basically telling you that there's something wrong with the oven temperature sensor. In the shop, several clients have told us that the error appeared suddenly while cooking, saying things like, E-27 popped up and the oven wouldn't heat, even though the burners worked fine. This matches what we see on many forums. The stove seems locked, but the fan and other controls still respond normally. Another common thing customers mention is that they tried turning the unit off and on several times, but the error came back. That makes sense because E-27 indicates that the temperature sensor isn't sending the correct signal to the control panel. Even if part of the unit works, the oven cannot regulate its heat. One technician explained, "The main control receives the signal, and if it's open or wrong, it locks the oven to prevent overheating." Some clients have noticed that unplugging the stove for a few seconds can temporarily clear the error. One of them said, "I unplugged it, waited a minute, and it started again, but E-27 came back after a while." This is quite common and also appears on Reddit and technical communities. It works like a reset, but if the problem returns, the most likely cause is a damaged temperature sensor or a wiring issue. Speaking of wiring, one client came in with E-27, and when we checked the unit in the shop, we found that the cable connecting the sensor was loose behind the panel, causing erratic readings. Many forums also note that the sensor can fail due to wear, prolonged heat, or minor impacts. A typical comment from a customer was, "Even after replacing the sensor, the error stayed because the cable was damaged." Technicians agree that checking both the sensor and its connections is crucial before thinking about replacing the control board. Some clients also ask if it could be the main control board. And yes, in cases where the sensor and wiring are fine, E-27 can persist due to a fault in the panel electronics. A technician explained, if the board doesn't receive the signal correctly, it will keep showing E-27 even if everything else works perfectly. That's why we always recommend checking the physical components first and then moving to the electronic control if the error doesn't go away. Finally, it's worth mentioning that there's no specific redesign or Samsung bulletin for E-27 because it's a code that directly indicates a sensor communication failure. So our workshop recommendation is check the sensor and its connections, measure resistance if possible, and if everything looks good but the error persists, take the unit to a qualified technician to inspect the control board. This avoids unnecessary part replacements and solves the problem at its root.